ang sitwasyon po ng NIA ngayon, Mr. Chair, is dump if you do, dump if you don't. Kasi kung papagawa ko po yung rubber, papagawa ko po yung rubber dam, ay makukuha naman po kami kasi technically ongoing yung project. Pag hindi ko naman po pinagawa, magagalit ang mga taga-Bulacan po sa atin. So, ma'am, ang hinihingi ko lamang po is hintayin po natin lang sana yung legal opinion ng ating OGCC. At rest assured, kapag mayroon na po yun, naka-ready po kami para implement kaagad yung project.
Mr. Chair, that's the problem kasi even our goal here is to make our food accessible, available, affordable to all Filipino family. Kung wala tayong legal actions against the smugglers, against the hoarders, against the contractor, magiging inutil lang po yung ating quarterly o yearly meeting. Kasi no legal actions taken po, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinabi bang rubber dam, substandard agad?
Mr. Chair, not really. Actually, yung unang rubber dam na ginamit po doon ay umabot naman po ng matagal po na nagamit po yun eh. Kaya lang, nung pinalitan, talagang, substandard talaga yung naipalit. And in fairness naman sa previous administration ng NIA, hindi nila tinanggap yung project, hindi nila inaccept, at yun ang naging dilemma namin kasi technically, ongoing siya eh. So kapag ongoing, hindi naman namin siya pwedeng punduhan ulit.
Yung, di mo nasasagutin yung BBM issue?
Mr. Chair?
There is here that you have a project about NIA BBM. What's the status?
Oh, yung bagong magsasaka rice, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Ongoing pa naman po kasi
Magkano lahat?
as of nung last na reporting po namin, first quarter of 2025, ang naservisan na po ng NIA around mga 2 million na po na ating mga ang pagbili po ng NIA doon sa 29 pesos. Hindi lang kasi ang kabuuan po kasi ng project natin, Mr. Chair, is baka kasi natititigan natin yung 29 pesos lang. Ano lamang po yun 20 to 25% lamang po ng aming kabuuang production. Kasi yung 3/4 ng ating production ay ibinebenta po ng ating mga farmer cooperative sa yung affordable rice. Yung sa 35, 42 pesos, yung pong 29 pesos natin ay nasa 2 million na po ang nakinabang po doon sa ating program.
How sustainable is for you to keep escaping the market forces in doing the BBM?
Oh, very sustainable po ito, Mr. Chair. Gaya po ng kwenta namin noon, di ba? Pinakita ko nga kay Sec. Kiko kanina ulit. Kung bibilhin namin yung palay ng 25 pesos, halimbawa, kahit may calculator naman po tayo lahat. Halimbawa, binigyan nyo ako ng 1 milyon na pondo at binili ko yung palay ng ating mga farmers ng 25 pesos, which is mahal na po yun, dry. Ano po? At ipapagiling ko po yun, gagamitin natin yung formula ng NFA na 63% recovery rate. So, tingnan po ninyo, yung 80% nung rice na yan, ibebenta lang namin ng 42 pesos at yung 20% ibebenta mo ng 29 pesos, ay babalik yung 1 milyon mo eh. So, ganoon po siya kasimple yung aming programa, Mr. Chair. But, if I may, Mr. Chair, ang talagang purpose lang namin noon, kaya namin ginawa yan, na isang main purpose is para lang mabago namin yung cropping calendar. Kaya yun po yung malaking performance ng NIA ngayon, Mr. Chair, na bago po namin yung malaking part na ng cropping calendar ng ating mga irrigation facilities.
Sir, paano masasabi na ang rubber dam ay sustainable kung kailangan ito ng maintenance at ng water pump? Nung tinanggal natin yung ISF, saan manggagaling yung maintenance nun?
Well, Mr. Chair, di ba ang sa NIA ngayon is of course, ang budget natin is galing na sa...
So ito ay NIA assisted, NIA is a NIA
dam po
project.
yan.
It's not a CIS.
Yes po. NIS po yan, Mr. Chair.
So, manggagaling sa corporate funds mo, sir?
Manggagaling po sa corporate and sa...
Ginamit mo na ba, sir, yung corporate capability mo to borrow funds from the market?
Actually, hindi pa po, Mr. Chair. Balak ko nga sana magpaturo sa inyo.
Hindi, kaya nga, yung NDC, nabayaran mo na ba? Yung
Yes,
12
I think so, Mr. Chair. Ayan.
So bakit hindi mo na lang para you can escape the entire budgetary process?
Mr. Chair, magandang idea po yan. I-explore po natin, Mr. Chair.
So, kaya naman sir mag-open. Kasi when I was with the President, Gloria, we had an open bond offering for NIA under NDC. So it radically expanded not just the FMR, but FMR for NIA-supported projects. Anyway, I will not talk about it.
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
Mr. Chair, last na lang po. Any assurance lang po from NIA na ngayon tag-ulan,
Walang tubig.
sana bahalang. Kasi yung lubog ang problema po. Ulan-ulan, baka po bumaha o baka po lumubog ang Bulacan o anong area po o town, municipality or city in Bulacan that will be affected by rainy season po. Ngayon na nag-iintay pa rin po tayo doon sa rubber gates po natin.
Ma'am, actually, yung mga previous na naapektuhan, wala lang sa akin yung data ngayon. Ano po? But yung mga previous towns po, Mr. Chair, na naapektuhan, yun pa rin po, ma'am. Ano ho? Pero siguro magtulungan po tayo, ma'am. Ano po?
Pwede niyong i-mention kung anong municipality para magkaroon lang ng preparation sa LGUs natin, yung clearing po ng ating mga drainage canal. Actually, kahit hindi rainy season, they have to do that. The LGUs, they have to do that. Kaya lang, ito yung warning natin because of the rubber gates. So, dapat maging prepared tayong lahat. Let's be honest, ano yung aapektuhan?
Papakuha ko lang po, ma'am, para mas precise po.
Opo.
Bigyan niyo lang po ako.
Yung maapektuhan lang naman, hopefully nga, wala.
Excuse me.
Si Villarica
Chair,
naman
yes.
daw.
I'm
Hindi mo
pretty
daw
sure.
solo ang Bulacan.
No, kasi I can say, sa aking distrito, sigurado yon. Because my district is flood prone and it has always been flooded every time it rains or even if it doesn't rain. It's the 4th district of Bulacan, which is Marilao, May Kawayan, and Obando. So yan that I can tell Mr. Gideon, Admin Gideon, that my district is really flood prone every time.
Bigay mo na lang sa Cabanaba. Laging may budget. Then. Sir, I think that requires a respectful answer.
Again, Mr. Chair, paano ko ba ipapaliwanag to? Kasi, Mr. Chair, we really are barking at the wrong tree. Hindi po yung Bustos Dam po ang culprit sa baha sa Bulacan, kundi yung kakulangan po ng impoundment sa taas ng 4 na tributaries po na ilog ng Bulacan. So, ginawa ko nga pong halimbawa kanina yung volume ng
Can
dam
you,
natin.
sir, submit to the chair? And submit so that we can discuss. We can have, although hindi na ako congressman, but I think I can have very well a study group para we can discuss exactly what you, alam ko sinasabi mo na hindi mo kasalanan, so gusto namin maintindihan kung paano masolve.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Is it with you?
Yes, sir.
Can you just send it here? So we can go to the next.
Yes.
Okay. Promoting agricultural mechanization by developing a centralized database distribution system of modern farm equipment and milling facilities to facilitate access utilization.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
we skip item number 5,
Item number 5.
rice and high value crops, page 9.
Oh, God.
Increasing the allocation for irrigation infra and services.
Oh,
That is where my concern is, Mr. Chair. I agree with the intention. However, no, we cannot proceed with that intention of increasing the budget of NIA for irrigation infrastructure